Hey folks, Darren from Ziebart Rhino Linings. I'm actually here with one of my good business friends, Bill Mahaney from Truck Covers USA. I'm going to turn it over to him. He's got an awesome product that we've shown before, but we've actually got it on a live vehicle. And Bill, why don't you take it away and give us a demonstration?
Let me show you how this works. This is the Truck Cover USA American roll. It is a full aluminum roll-up cover. You've got two ways to open our cover. You can use the key that we provide with you, or you can open your tailgate up and pull the quick release, and it'll allow it to roll all the way forward. When you're done loading your truck, you go ahead and pull it back. Every 12 inches, it will lock into place. So if you have a big load, you want to put it here, the cover can be open part way, or if it's a small load, it can be closed almost all the way. These covers are all available at your local Ziebart store. Give them a call here in Indianapolis or Lafayette or Fort Wayne, wherever you're at, and they'll be happy to get you taken care of.